Blah blah blah. Okay. Hello, hello. We heard blah blah blah. Really? Test, 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 test. Okay, okay, great. Okay, finally. Ah, I think something wrong with this called the Malone app. Yeah, something wrong with it. Because my microphone works okay, but it just cannot detect the microphone. Yeah. Anyway, so let's just start the tonight's session. Uh, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, glad to see you guys. Yeah, because we know today is a very important day. Because after a few hours, the federals, the FOMC meeting will come, right? Yeah, the federals we're going to speak about the interest rate decision, and there's announcing the tapering status. Okay, so we can see the gold is now just crashed to 1763. Okay, made a very huge move, downside move, right? And we can see the dollar index actually moves up, but with a pin bar already showed. Okay, so I'm going to cover how we are going to plan for this. All right. So are we ready to start? Has my has my student joined? Yeah, can you help me to put on the WhatsApp group to send a message to them? If you can. Yeah, just tell them the webinar start. Yeah. I'm going to record the session first. All right. Okay, so let's start with the dollar index. All right. So daily chart, the DXY has already completed the ABCD pattern here. We can see this AB move, and the CD move is here. Okay. Let's just draw the extension. Okay, Fibonacci extension. So 1.272 is at a 94.58, which is exactly the previous peak here. Okay, so this place will be very significant for the dollar. If the dollar can stand above this line, right, it will push a medium terms bullish wave. All right. However, if the dollar failed to break this level and makes a reversal, we are going to find a way to short, right? But from the fundamental side, it is quite clear that the tapering is going to happen, and that is will push the dollar to the new high. So I think this plan A may happen. On the other hand, we have the euro dollar. The euro is reject from the last resistance, which is here. Okay. So 1.17 become major resistance for the euro. Right? We have to identify whether this area will become consistent, pressure line for the euro. Right? And today, chances that the price may break this base here, and maybe the euro will continue to fall if the bearish continuation pattern, right, occurs. This kind of flag pattern occurs. The euro may go back to shoot to 1.14, right here. 1.14 will be the next support for the euro dollar. So here in this case, right, we just watch where the market goes. after the FOMC meeting, which is in the 2 a.m. Singapore time. Okay, just left by 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours later, the FOMC meeting will announce the tapering, the interest rate decision, and the tapering. In the news, and the Powell will answer, give some kind of public speaks. Okay, regarding for the tapering and the recent inflation issue of the USA. Okay, and let's move on to sterling dollar. Sterling has pulled back to the previous space here, right? Which is this zone. And let's just draw our Fibonacci line, and we can see very clear 1.3573 will become a very interesting place to long the sterling. Right, personally, I believe this pattern, right? One wave up, one wave down, hit the 618, and maybe the second wave going up. Okay, based on this bullish wave recently, and I think tomorrow we also have the UK's interest rate decision. So the UK will also are trying to make their kind of a hawkish announcement after the interest rate decision, I believe. Yeah, because there have been too long for the UK never increase the rate and hold their interest rate for too long. So when a country that always have a very low interest rate, their economy may not be very healthy. So their monetary policy bureau, right, will track this inflation number and the interest rate. Okay, so we have to get some news from the UK side to confirm the sterling whether we will be going upside or downside. However, 1.3573 will definitely become very important supporting zone. All right. Okay, so can you reply me by 5? So just let me see your message so that I know that you are still following me with me. Okay, just check how many people is coming and are making their response to me, making the interaction with me. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. There are some. To. Yeah. I think my camera is not very stable. Okay, let me adjust it a bit. All right, thank you. And prepare for some questions if you have regarding any pairs or any currencies, any products, any markets, right? So let's move on to Australian dollar. Okay, the Australian dollar okay. I think that's some paper trade we made last week. Right, looks it's going to hit our stop loss, right? Okay, yeah. I think if the 0.74 was hit, we're going to lose this $200, right? But never mind, just leave it. Okay. Anyway, this is not what we want. We want something like breakout and pullback, and boom, goes up, right? But that is not. It's not coming this way. So we have to bear this floating loss, right? If the stop loss hunt was hit, okay, we got to stop out, right? So Australian dollars now is made a reversal at the 0.75 level. The channel was broken. Okay, ZAR, right? Okay, I will check ZAR. Right, the channel was broken, and there is we want to maybe want to sell high. Okay, sell high will be our choice, right? Since this reversal already occurred, and I think we're going to use this Fibonacci level to determine where we want to start in the setting. Okay, 0.75. So if the price can rally to 0.75, we may want to close our long order, and we want to sell to open a new short order downside. Jack, Euro on weekly views looks a classic breakdown structure. Do you think institution already put in a new structure? Yes, I think the institution already knows that the tapering is coming. So from the fundamental side, yeah, it is bullish for the dollar. And in weekly chart, it is a breakout. You're right. Okay, based on this structure was broken. Yeah, I think the smart money is trying to sell it off to 1.14. That's why I give this arrow, because this can be easily expected, right? Yeah, tapering means less money in the market, the dollar will rise, euro will fall. Yeah, very strong correlation. Okay, for the Kiwi dollar, I think will be the same with the Aussie. Yeah, just drop. All right. So for the Kiwi, we can sell immediately because the Kiwi are still in the high here. Okay, just break down. So if you believe that this is a good breakout, right, you can go for it. You can open a sell here, 0.7139. Stop loss given 0.7198. Right, aiming for downside to 0.70. I think 100 pips is yours. Right, this 100 pips will be yours. It's a perfect double top, break neckline and pullback trade. Canadian, yeah, you're right. Canadian Canadian is making a reversal around this area at 618 as we covered last week, right? I mentioned that this is a 618 level. The price is giving a double bottom, right? Okay, and you want to wait for a pullback to buy it again, right? 1.2366. 1.2366 will be a good place to buy the USD Canadian. Okay, for the gold, okay, gold just break down, makes a triangle breakout. And today, I think just right in 1 hour ago, when I was holding another webinar, we opened a short upon this breaking of the structure. We sell the structure breakout, right? Made a lot of money from 177.7 to 176.1. It's a $15 move. And in 30 minutes chart, we can see this bearish move happens after a long consolidation around 1780, and 1780 becomes a major support previously and now becomes a major resistance. Okay, so gold we are bearish, and daily chart shows that gold may have another leg down. Okay, you can consider this as a harmonic wave, right? There are a pattern here. Okay, this is a potential pattern, right? Okay, so it tells you the gold may going down to test 1726, right? On the other hand, the 618 is coming, so maybe the price will have a little bit of bounce from 1756.90. So just to be ready, that price will have a bounce back to 1780 and then going down again. So you may want to watch for the breakout and pullback trade at here. Okay, 1778, 1780 area. Right, this becomes a major resistance. Okay, one wave selling down, another wave pulling back. Right, retesting the structure. You want to go and capture the second move. Okay, German 30. Okay, I will cover the indices later. Okay, let's move on to oil. I think yesterday I just mentioned that oil want to sell, and it moves very big move, and oil just have a good inside bar occurred. Right, this is a typical inside bar. Right, very nice inside bar. Anyone should recognize it, because we have been applying the inside bar strategy for too many times, and people should be very familiar with this. Okay, you see it's one inside bar breakdown, boom, just dropped like crazy. Okay, congratulations for my students that are yesterday they short from here. Yeah, because I said one wave up, second try not break new high, forms a double top, want to sell it. Okay, and now it's already making 400 pips, right, from 84.30 to 80.95, right, almost 400 pips. So oil will have a bearish move for tonight, right? It is confirmed a bearish move. Okay, it's rallied too high, finishes drop at 85, one top, second top, necklines here. If the neckline was broken, it will crash. Okay, I think the oil may crash back to here 72. 72 will be the medium target. Okay, because Fibonacci also tells us the 618 is here, 70.76. Okay, so trying to get some money from the potential downside wave. Mana, okay, I will cover later. Crypto, I will cover later. Okay, all right, move on to S&P. S&P will have a difficult night today. So when tapering happens, I think the price will fall. So the S&P will wait for the FOMC meeting, and it may come down. It may come down. And importantly, you have to draw is this trend line. Okay. Yeah. If this trend line was broken, you got to pay attention to sell the S&P. Okay. Sell the S&P. How about the Germany 30? Okay, Germany 30 also fluctuates with a higher small range here, and it's easy to break down and retest and going down, or it will going up, break out and retest and going up. But from the fundamental side, I think the stocks market will have some problems for today. So try not to to buy the Germany 30 at a so high. Okay, aim for a reversal pattern to capture the downside move. All right. Okay, move on to sterling yen. All right, I think one people asked me to check the Swiss yen, right? Okay, the Swiss yen is strong, still going up, because the dollar Swiss is going going down. Dollar is getting strong, so yeah. Let's check the dollar Swiss. Oh, okay, Swiss is really strong. Okay, still at 0.91. Okay. And just the breaks new high. It breaks new high at 123. Retested, and now it's consolidating around here, but the price may come back again. If I were you, I won't trade Swiss yen. Okay, I won't trade Swiss yen. This just tells you that the price may still rise to 618, maybe. Yeah, already touched. So maybe there will be some resistance here. TMUS. What is that? TMUS. T-Mobiles. Okay. These are stocks, right? Oh, looks good. Good support from 113. Looks good. Price may have another retest and going up to test 134. That's your profit zone here. Okay, you got to earn this money. Okay, wait for a pullback to buy. Aim for 136. Okay, gold already covered. German 40. There's nothing called German 40, but German 30, I think. Mana. Okay, Mana. Mana is a crypto. Okay. You take an Aussie dollar. I want to sell the high. Okay, Mana is strong, but Mana is consolidating. There's nothing changed, right? Still, we're looking at the inside bar here. Inside bar makes a very great support zone from 2.69. Okay, price one time, second time, another triangle. Okay, maybe the price will have another rally after break out the downtrend line. Okay, how about 005930? Okay, sure. What's your name, please? I cannot pronounce your name. Korean friend. Samsung? Are you talking about a Samsung? Right, Samsung is a great company. Yeah, it's a great company. I'm afraid that I may get the data from here. Okay. Wow. Beautiful move. Beautiful move since last year. Ready from 8,000 to 9020. Okay. So almost doubled. All right, and then in a very long downside channel, the price may continue falling down. I think the best way to invest it, we'll look at the gap here. Okay, look at the gap here. This gap shows a lot of meanings. Okay, So if the price can ever come back to 64K, you can go for long it. All right. How about corn? Corn. You mean the future? Are you talking about the future? ZC? ZC? That? Pullback long? Yep. 2618 trade. Okay. Double bottom followed by 618 pullback and go for it. It's doable. It's doable. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so go for the BTC. Alright, BTC we can sell, guys. So we can sell some BTC here. Okay, 63.514 was rejected, right? You can consider to sell the BTC a little bit. I think price may go back to 50K. I think in my last webinar I mentioned this, right? I said the 618 it would be very, very important. You got to, find price section to sell the BTC. Okay, easy, right? Yeah, you can see the whole. Yeah, very nice chart. See, okay, triangle breakdown. Okay, so now you can wait for another pullback to 62,700 and sell it. Okay, this will become a very good chart. Okay, two double top, pulling back, go for it. Okay, BZRX USDT. Okay. What is this coin? Oh, looks good. Looks good. Okay, the price is at a neckline. Just a breakout, but I think the price may have still another rate test to 0.37 maybe. Yeah, focusing on this line 0.37. Okay, buying the pullback. Okay, so let's check about the Tesla. Strong company. Inside bar, can you see that? Inside bar. Okay, you got to use the inside bar, pretty cool. Okay, in stocks, in futures, in forex. Okay, inside bar breaks up 1,066 to 1,2606, $200 per share. Right, if you invest 10 shares, you earn 2K US dollar. Okay, but now don't chase high, wait for the price to come back a little bit. Okay, maybe 1,000 price may retest a little bit. Okay, but this gap will be very attractive. Okay, 944. If the gap can be filled, all right, you can consider to invest in Tesla. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think nothing too much to say, because I think everything is going to wait for the FOMC meeting. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to check: dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen consolidating. So watch for the breakout, right? Watch for the breakout. It is consolidating at the high place, so chances will be the price may have another rally and a boom, just back down to 1113 and then going back to 112. Okay, by reaching about 112, you may consider to buy it. Okay, 112 will be a very good place to buy the dollar yen. Right, sterling yen. Okay, if you believe sterling it will go up and dollar yen will go up, I think sterling yen is still okay to buy because the structure is here. Okay, the next time you see here when this strong rally, okay, one wave down, pulling back, another wave down, you can apply for the ABCD patterns to calculate, right? To calculate where might it go, right? Where it might go here. Yeah, it exceeds, but now it's coming back. So from this tells us the 155 is still supporting the price. Okay, and you can consider this as a fake breakout here. It's a fakey move. Okay, because price break the 155 and coming up again, so it's good to buy the pullback at 155.34. Okay, Facebook. All right, sure. Talking about the new universe, right? What do we call that? What's the term? Original universe? Because in China we call it 元宇宙. What is the English term for that? Yeah, Facebook become the name change. Meta platforms. Meta platforms. Oh, metaverse. Okay, metaverse. Cool name. Cool name. 300 become support. Okay. Gap down. Okay. Reverse. Right. Another test. Go for it. Best buying place. Okay. 315. 315, Royce. Okay. You can consider to invest some Facebook stocks or shares. How about Apple? Apple. Okay. Be careful, Apple second top, no new high. Okay, it may go in down. Careful about this. The price may go coming back to 144. Check this level. Okay, 144. Alright, so remember, don't place too much orders before the FOMC meeting. Alright, you have to be very patient and you have to be very, disciplined. Okay, do not use more than 2% of the capital to open a trade in today's FOMC meetings news. Okay, you have to be very, very careful because the price may move upside down very quickly and the volatility will be very high. Okay, so try to buy or sell, okay, the correlated products, okay, based on the price action in the first 5 minutes, the first 15 minutes, the first 30 minutes, right? Try to, to catch some wave around this time, and you may get some bucks in your pocket. All right. Okay, so this is TNT Sunrise Projack. All right. You are okay. Last but not least, you can always visit my website to learn more about my course. All right, my course has been conducted for more than 7 years, and more than 10,000 people has been benefit from this program, and people are really have the ability to understand how the market moves and ability to buy low and sell high. Try to identify profit patterns that I shared every time, and you know how to apply the patterns. All right, ability to predetermine the correct stop loss, correct entry, correct profit taking level, the ability to plan your trade and trade your plan. So all the trading philosophy and trading system has been covered in this special program, right? You can just sign up here anytime. Okay, so yeah, this is the best trader course you should apply ever. Okay, so install something in your mind, okay, so that every time you see the chart as the same eye which I use. Okay, so you got my eyes, put it on your detecting system, trying to get all the good trading possibilities. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.